We are going to check out Mixue ice cream and tea bar. This originated from China. To date, they have over 22,000 stores and aggressively expanding to overseas market. Today, I am taking you out of my kitchen and my home bar to give you some ideas what's happening in Bangkok in the scene of the bubble tea and milk tea. And why am I here? So I'm going to show you and give you some ideas of what you can do if you're planning to start a bubble tea business in this day and age. So let's find out what they have here. First impression, casual, friendly, colorful, and affordable. They have the making of a proper soft serve ice cream with bubble tea that would generally appeal to the mass. Their ice cream sundae is still by far their best seller. Mostly, I would think, for their affordability. Let's take a look at their menu. Prices are very reasonable, ranging from about 15 Thai baht to the most expensive one being 45 Thai baht. That's roughly about half a US dollar to about 1.5 US dollars. The best-selling item on their menu is their sundae, and this is 1,000 over 10. That is the score that people have been giving it. I am going to try 3 of their drinks. Black sugar pearl sundae, which is 40 baht, black sugar pearl milk tea, and because I was told this is one of their best seller, I am going to try the lemon black tea. So according to the lady here, their best seller is their ice cream. So they have their ice cream and their black lemon tea or lemon juice. So I'm going to try their, which one do you recommend? My cameraman is a regular here. Okay, let's have that and this one.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let's try this and this one. Our super boba sundae, brown sugar bubble tea. So they have the big cups, large cups. I would say that's about 22 ounces. Those are the lemonade cups, so it looks very promising. Freshly sliced. I'm not sure they're freshly sliced, but they are lemon wheels there, decorated with lemon wheels. And that's my ice cream there. Soft serve ice cream with boba and brown sugar around the side of the cup. And this is my brown sugar bubble tea. Also looking very tempting. That's how they do it. And I'm waiting for my last drink, which is my lemonade. คุณค่ะใส่ถุงก็ได้ค่ะ And this is my fresh lemonade. I love shaking them with lemon wheels and also bits. Yeah. อันนี้ขายดีที่สุดใช่ไหมคะโอเคแล้วอันนี้ขายดีไหม
ถ้าเป็นเมนูไอศกรีมตัวนี้ก็จะขายดีที่สุดค่ะพวกเครื่องดื่มก็จะเป็นตัวนี้
ตัวสองตัวนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่ค่ะ
ปกติวันหนึ่งขายได้กี่แก้วคะ
ปกติ
เป็นร้อยมั้ย
ประมาณ500ถ้าต่ำคือ500แก้ว
500แก้ว Wow. So I just asked them how many cups do they sell per day, and the lady says minimum of 500 cups per day. 500 cups per day. That is a dream. So I think what they're doing here is to, focus on the quantity. They sell a lot, and then now it is the big reveal. I'm going to try this drinks. I'm quite impressed. 500 cups a day. Okay, this one is the bubble tea sundae, boba sundae. This is the brown sugar boba sundae. Okay, I suppose I have to get deeper. I must say, you have to excuse me, but it tastes very synthetic. The taste of the sundae is the milk which you can buy, like a lot of them. I'm not so sure whether I like this. I like the look of it, but the sundae is not something I would be crazy about. But the boba is quite chewy and soft. I'm going to try the brown sugar bubble tea. I mean, everything is good. They have their custom-made fat straw. large investment here. Okay. Wow, this is not bad. I would think this is almost as good as one of my favorite milk tea brands, which is from Taiwan, but this is equally good. For this price, I would say it is perfect. The boba pearls are chewy, soft, not soggy, so I give this a thumbs up. Really, the fresh lemonade, I must say presentation-wise, it's very good for that price. Wow. Large cup with lemon wheel. I would give this drink a thumbs up, especially on a hot summer day or if you don't feel like having a milky drink. It is refreshing and I could taste the lemon in it. So trees. Now, of the three, I must say that I wasn't impressed with the sundae, but maybe if I mix them up, slightly better, but I think it's a little bit too sweet for my taste. There you go. So if you're looking for something new, something to try, or even to make or to start your own bubble tea business, it is never too late. The popularity of bubble tea and bubble-related drinks is still going up and up, and it's probably going to last for a long time. So if you have plans for business in this industry, the best time is right now. And there's no need to be afraid of competition, because competition is always good. And it's how you present yourself, how you present your brand, and how good your drinks are. Pricing is secondary, but still it is quite important to consider when starting your bubble tea business. So that's all I would like to share with you today. I hope that this video clip outside my home kitchen is useful for those that are wanting to know what's trending, what's happening around Bangkok. I'll see you again next time for another Chao on Tour video. Ciao for now.